Okay, here we have the Field Connect installation of the moisture probe, and this is the probe here, which will measure soil moisture up to, I believe, 59 inches. And so first we'll bore out a hole with the auger, and the dirt we remove will go into a bucket, and we'll add some water to it and make a nice slurry. We'll insert the slurry in the hole and then force the probe down into the hole, and that'll create a nice contact with the probe so there's no air pockets. And this will be collecting soil moisture. Okay, this is the hard part here. So it's got to go down pretty deep up to this line right here. So, you know, I could use a couple more 100 pounds on this auger. Today it's not a little breezy, but it's still pretty warm trying to do this outside. So any of you all that need to go to the gym, feel free to tag along with me when I install these. I'm gonna take a little break there and see if I can switch this back over. You can see the slurry got soaking here. This will go in the hole. Okay, so here's the finished product here. The slurry was poured down in the hole and then the probe inserted, and the slurry kind of just flowed out, making a nice good contact with the soil.